So guys, I'm now with a translator. You probably feel that I'm better talking, and now my mother cooked fried potatoes with mushrooms and sauce. What do you think? I warm in my favorite pan. It will be tastier. I did this video in advance, and I warn you that content will be shocked soon. Please be careful not to watch. In the meantime, enjoy how potatoes are fried. Before dinner, let's write how much we have here. 48. Alright. But as always, I forget about vegetables. Now, due to epidemics of viruses, I process all vegetables thermally, so that everything is surely tired, fried, fried. It's like that. Push. Oh god, my leggings fall all the time. Well, I spread the yummy yummy on a plate. Well, looks appetizing. Alright guys, we're now together. Tried what I'm cooking. So it's I think it's the very tasty, maybe not, maybe it's very free, for somebody, but for me, I can eating sometimes, and I don't, for my body, not will be, how say on English, for bad. For sorry. All right. No comments. I tried my potatoes with mushrooms freeze. It's okay. If you're now eating, write me please under this video what you eat now, right now, and use a little bit cheese. That's cut a piece. But it's very self. I don't know. Normal. And after my lunch, again, I don't know how to say, weighs this my kilograms, what I'm plus without uh, after my dinner, after lunch. Very, very, very tasty. I'm usually eating without bread because it's this it's very mm, how say fat mm, and frizzy. I think the American peoples maybe every day eating that food. I'm right? I think so. Because for me, it's the rarity. Because yesterday my mom cooking with our family. I don't know how to say блюдо. Normal, normal. And the weather very bad today. Guys, I forgot show you this one. Mm, this is red fish, la sauce, from maybe China, maybe I don't know, America, but it's very, very tasty. God. Stop, stop, stop. Where is it? Oh God. It's that what I think. It's a worm. I don't know. Oh, I am now uh, there. Ah, or is the gut of fish? Maybe. Mm? Oh, how disgusting. Oh, God. I'm going to complain. Maybe tomorrow go to the store and write the complaint. It's not possible. I'm shocked. And now I'm check out my wife after lunch. It's the don't work. I think it's don't work. Yeah, because before my wife was oi 18. Ah, cuz exactly. Oh no, my wife was 48 and now 47. It's a liar. Yeah, of course it's a liar. Oh, guys, I think you um, check out my lunch with worm. Oh God, what is that? What is that? I don't know. Because I'm a little bit a poison yourself. Alright. If you want will be showing my new recepts for body slim and for lose weight without worm oh god, please write me comments and subscribe to my channel, and see ya the next video.